Happy greetings to you all, my dear friends. Today, I'm going to give you explanation about what is standard time, how we can calculate standard time, and a real case example of fixing the production target with the help of standard time calculation. To be the very first, what is standard time? A standard time may be defined as the time taken to complete a process from the start until the beginning by a normal pace worker is so called as standard time. To calculate the standard time, there is a small formula, namely normal time plus normal time plus allowances. Now, just differentiating normal time and allowances, I'll give you the explanation and then you can understand what is normal time and then how to calculate normal time and what is allowances and then how to calculate this allowances. Firstly, this normal time. Normal time is being defined with a minor formula by stating average sum of individual trial times taken. Trial times taken. Trial times. Here we have to decide the number of trials. Number of trials or the number of trial readings you should observe from the worker or a labor completing the specified work is called as trial time. We will consider for this trial time to be taken as five trial readings we are going to take for in this case study. Now it is clear average sum of individual trial time taken to complete a process is called as normal time. So if you take 5 times, the average sum would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5 will give you the normal time. Now coming to allowances. Allowances by mean there are three major allowances which is to be considered. The one is contingency allowance. Contingency allowance. This incorporates the fatigueness of the worker. Continuously, a person cannot work as like the first time process. So there will be some loss allowance which is to be considered in calculating standard time, which is called as contingency allowance, which directly relates to the fatigueness that an operator faces. Secondly, now again it is relaxation allowance. Relaxation allowance, and the third one is special allowance, which may call for an unfortunate or an unexpected happening or to attend the nature's call. These three allowances are the major considered in standard time calculation, and these three allowances are numbered or made deterministic with the help of awarding a percentage value that is decided by the organization. Say for an example, 10 percentage of normal time or 15 percentage of normal time will be the allowances time. Likewise, the organization will decide based on the nature of work and the nature of production process they are doing, and accordingly, this will be taken. So now standard time is equal to normal time plus allowances. How to calculate normal time is being told, and allowances being taken here. Coming here, let us take a case examples. The second part of it. Let us take a case example of a phasing operation where from the beginning of the process until the end of the process these trial times are taken. This say we will, as told earlier, we will take the trials as trial numbers as 5 or this is the third trial. So the sum total of all these trial times taken will give you 25. So the addition of all these gives 25 and divided by 5 will give you 5. 5 minutes is the normal time taken for calculating standard time taken. Now calculating the allowances time. Allowance time is equal to 10 percentage of 5 minutes. That is the normal time. So 10 percentage of this normal time will give you 10 percentage of this normal time will give you zero point 0.5 minutes. So substituting these two values here, the standard time to calculate a phasing operation in general is normal time plus allowances, that is 5 plus 0.5 is 5.5 minutes. Now, the standard time for a process is calculated. With the help of this standard time, how do we calculate the production target for a shift? Now, in a shift, the available minutes is equal to 8 hours into 60 minutes, which gives you 480 minutes. And now it is very simple. You can calculate the production target by just calculating 480 by 5.5. With this value, you can arrive the production target for a shift with the standard time. This 480 divided by 5.5 gives you 87 points something, which is approximated as 88. So 88 numbers is the target production for a shift with the calculation of the standard time for a phasing operation is to be performed. So with all these explanations, I understand that it is clear about what is standard time, how to calculate standard time, and the real case example for a standard time is also clear. Thanks, friends. Thanks for listening. Please do subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for listening.